What a truly wonderful, wonderful world we have. And this wonderful world, all of us were created by a most wonderful and great God. Now, sisters, join us all together now in singing and proclaiming what a wonderful God we have. Trees of green, red roses too. I see the moon, for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonder.